Well, we're not used to snow in Fayetteville. We normally get it about once a year. This is our third big snow of the year, and it is quite beautiful. This is my car. I don't foresee me going much of anywhere. A few people seem hell-bent on it, and it's still coming down. It's supposed to be for the next few hours, and that's what the roads are like. So if you're one of our local Magic players and you're curious as to whether or not we're running a pre-release, you may want to take a look outside. I hope you are, but overall it's not looking good, though it is pretty. I'm in a winter wonderland.